An element of the food industry in Ireland that perhaps isn't focused on enough is the artisan small food sector. There are literally hundreds of small businesses across this country that are growing or trying to grow by producing quality foods and then selling that to consumers here in Ireland. This is an area that employs a lot of people, that involves a lot of family businesses, and in many cases they are an extension of primary producers who are putting added value on their product, whether it's yogurts, whether it's ice creams, whether it's chocolate. Whatever the market is, they are targeting a niche element of it. And so this isn't about producing huge volumes, competing with the big food companies in Ireland. This is about carving out a niche, getting a premium price for a premium product. And I think there's nothing more rewarding than actually creating a product and selling it on a supermarket shelf, or indeed selling it from your own outlet. A lot of small businesses literally do it on their own. They don't fit into any funding category or any support category. And that's often the case in the food sector. So what we're trying to do here is actually reach out to small food companies and say, actually, there are arms of the state that are there to help you. Bord Bia is the best example of that, but local enterprise boards do it also. But what we're here to do today is to talk to young businesses or small businesses, ask them what are their needs, what are their demands, what do they need help with, and then we're going to figure out with them how the state can actually help them to grow and expand and exploit the fantastic opportunity that is there in the artisan food market.